Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Honey. So today we are going to do a monthly reading for Pisces for the month of October 2025. This will be a general reading guys, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. Okay, in this reading we will see the overall energy for the month of October, key obstacles, challenges, actions, advice, strength and opportunities with a probable outcome. Okay, so let's see. It can be in any areas of your life, love, work, family, anything basically. Okay, so please see how it connects with you. Also, I have done the October to December reading, and if you're interested in seeing what 2025 has for you by end, so you can check that reading out on my channel. All right, so let's see the overall energy for Pisces. The overall energy for Pisces. Okay, one card flipped, a couple of cards flipped. Okay, let's see what do the cards have for Pisces. Overall energy for Pisces for October 2025. Overall energy for Pisces. Okay, all right, let's see what are the key challenges or obstacles we have for Pisces in October. Key challenges or obstacles for Pisces. What are the actions or advice we have for Pisces? Actions or advice we have for Pisces in October. Actions or advice for Pisces in October. Action or advice for Pisces in October. Actions or advice for Pisces in October. Okay. What's the strength and opportunities we have for Pisces? The strength and opportunities we have for Pisces. The strength and opportunities we have for Pisces October 2025. So many cards are flipping. What is happening, my dear? Strength and opportunities we have for Pisces in October. What are the strength and opportunities we have for Pisces in October? Okay. Alright. What's the probable outcome for Pisces? What's the probable outcome for Pisces? Oops. Okay. So bottom of the deck, we have the Ace of Swords. Alright. So I see that you are having so many thoughts. You know, so much is running in your mind. It's like so many thoughts are running in your mind. It can be in your relations, it can be in your work life, that you want to, do things in a different way. For some of you, I see there are creative ideas, innovative way of doing things, but somewhere you want to bring that into action. Okay, and there is a you are kind of somewhere, for some of you it can be you are working on your communication skills and you are planning to start something. It can be like helping people to upgrade their communication skill, how they can speak effectively in a public place. Or for some of you it can be you yourself starting your own, or maybe a side hustle, or starting something of your own where your communication will help you to get the attention of the people around. Okay, that is what I'm getting. All right, let's see what we have here. Overall energy, we have the Seven of Swords. So during the month of October, Pisces, you need to take care of your important things. Okay, don't share your ideas until and unless you bring it into the final output. Okay, आप अपने ideas को share मत कीजिए किसी से भी, because there are very good chances that people may take your idea and start something on their own, and you might feel deceitful, because there is this energy of deceptiveness. There's this energy of taking away what belongs to you. Some people may try to take the credit of your work in your workplace. Okay, and some of you, some of you, they might some people might take the credit of your ideas also. Okay, so it's like आप good faith में किसी के साथ अपने ideas share कर रहे हो, अपने how you can make things better, how you can work better, आप अपने ideas, अपने creativity आप share कर रहे हो, and people might take advantage of it, and you will be left with nothing at the end. Okay, so there is this energy that some people around you may try to take away from you what belongs to you. Okay, and I also see, if you are planning to do something like this, I would I would suggest कि just try to create something of your own. You never know कि आपके पास क्या कैपेबिलिटी है. मे बी जो दूसरा आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा है, आप उसको और बेटर वे में यू कैन ब्रिंग इट इनटू योर ओन आइडियाज. आप अपने ओन तरीके से उसको और बेटर कर सकते हो, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाट आई एम गेटिंग फॉर यू. सो डोंट बी इन दिस एनर्जी ऑफ trying to take the credit. You don't do it basically, but still I'm getting that message. It can be anyone's energy, either you or the people you are dealing with. Okay, so I have told you from both the perspectives. Now coming to, also I see that you need to take care of your important your important files, your important belongings, your important documents. You need to take care of it. Even if you are traveling, or if you are going to मीट समबडी, आप किसी से मिल रहे हो, आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, आप किसी इंपॉर्टेंट काम से बाहर जा रहे हो, तो आप अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स को बहुत केयरफुली यू नीड टू हैंडल देम वेरी केयरफुली. देयर आर चांसेस दैट you might end up in a difficult situation if you don't take care of everything properly in a planned way. Okay, that is what also I'm getting. Now coming to the key challenges or obstacles is, you might be thinking ki, when will things start working in a much speedier way. Okay, I see कि आप देख रहे हो कि चीज़ें बहुत स्लो हो रही है, या तो स्टक है या तो बहुत स्लो मूव हो रहा है. ओके, सो समवेयर इट्स दिस एनर्जी कि कब होगा, ये कब होगा, व्हेन विल थिंग हैपन, व्हेन विल आई गेट दिस, व्हेन विल बी एबल टू डू दैट, व्हेन विल आई हैव दिस थिंग, I have been working hard for so long, but when will all that happen? So there is this energy of restlessness. Okay, so things are not moving at a speed you want. जो स्पीड में आप सोच रहे हो उस स्पीड में चीज़ें नहीं हो रही हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं ये फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग हो रहा है. Okay, that is also I am getting. So you don't have to lose hope. You need to have patience. Okay, बहुत patience के साथ आपको situation को handle करना है, deal करना है. Don't rush into anything. Okay, because sometimes things happen at its divine time, right? So you don't have to rush into anything, and work towards your plan, work towards your goal, and things will happen, things will unfold. Okay, again the same thing is coming here as the advice and action for you, that you are waiting for the fruits to come. Okay, आप सोच रहे हो कि मैंने मेहनत कर ली, अब मुझे fruits क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है, मुझे rewards क्यों नहीं मिल रहे हैं. तो आप किसी प्लांट को डबल ट्रिपल 4 टाइम्स पानी देकर उससे फ्रूट नहीं ला सकते हो ना. वो तो जितना स्पीड में आता है, उसका जो नॉर्मल टाइम ड्यूरेशन है, वो तो उतना ही टाइम में आएगा, राइट? सो आपको इम्पेशेंट नहीं होना है, आपको गिव अप नहीं करना है सिचुएशन में. और राइट, कि रिवॉर्ड्स नहीं मिल रहे तो काम करके क्या फ़ायदा, राइट? सो यू डोंट हैव टू बी इन दैट एनर्जी. यू नीड टू कीप गिविंग, यू नीड टू, जितना आपकी तरफ से एफर्ट्स आपको देना ज़रूरी है, यू कीप giving that, and you will definitely get the rewards of your hard work. Okay, so don't give up, don't be in this energy of waiting and not taking the next step. Okay, once you are in the process of working towards your goal, things will start automatically unfolding. Okay, so it's like things are working at the back end, background में काम चल रहा है, आप अभी results नहीं देख पा रहे हो, but it's working. Okay, so you don't have to give up. All right, so that's what also I am getting for you. Now coming to the strength and opportunities, as I said, you might be having ideas, और अगर आप अगर एक्स्ट्रा अपना बोलते हैं ना ओवर शेयर करना, अगर आप ओवर शेयर करते हो चीज़ों को, तो इट माइट टर्न आउट टू बी अ चैलेंजिंग एंड स्ट्रेसफुल थिंग फॉर यू. सो इट्स लाइक for some of you it can be, आप अपने मन में कोई different scenarios create कर रहे हो, and you are not able to sleep properly because of overthinking, and it's all because you have everything but you are just overthinking a lot. Okay, कि ऐसे तो नहीं हो जाएगा, मैंने ऐसा कर दिया, ऐसा तो नहीं हो जाएगा, अगर मैंने ऐसा नहीं किया तो क्या, अगर मैंने ये मिस तो नहीं हो जाएगा मुझसे. So there are so many different scenarios which are, it's like a mind playing tricks with you to cause all this anxiety and overthinking and sleepless nights and all that. So if you need to focus on your health also, you need to take care of your mental health. You might go through severe headaches if you will, if you will let your mind play tricks with you. So you need to take care of your health. You need to overcome this energy of overthinking, and बैलेंस करके बहुत प्राइवेटली, बहुत कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी से अपने प्लान्स को एग्जीक्यूट करने की ज़रूरत है टू अवॉइड ऑल दैट. ओके, आई ऑल्सो सी दैट फॉर सम ऑफ यू आर ब्लेस्ड विद एवरीथिंग. जस्ट ट्राई टू अवॉइड दिस सिचुएशन ऑफ ओवर एनालाइजिंग एवरीथिंग. तो आप इस चीज़ से आप बच सकते हो. Alright, that is what also I'm getting for you. Now the outcome here is you need to take action again. ऐसे हो रहा है ना कि आप वेट कर रहे हो. सो इट्स लाइक यू नीड टू टेक एक्शन. इट्स लाइक you have the freedom to express, you have the freedom to work on things how you want, and you need to express it. Okay, it's like if it's a connection where in your family, or it's a love relation where you are not able to express properly, you need to express whatever your emotions are, whatever you want to convey. You need to work on it. Also, you need to create a balance to figure out a way how you can bring your plans into action. So that is what also I am getting for you. For some of you, I see that there may be some situation जहाँ पे आपको कोई decision लेने की ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है, और ये डिसीजन हो सकता है कि एकदम कम्प्लीटली डिफरेंट हो. राइट, मे बी जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके फैमिली में अभी तक एवरीबडी वॉज इन बिजनेस, फैमिली बिजनेस था, बट आप हो सकता है आप उसको चेंज करके आई वॉन्ट टू जॉइन एज एन एम्प्लॉय. मैं कहीं पे जॉब करना चाहता हूँ, मैं फैमिली बिजनेस नहीं करना चाहता या करना चाहती. ठीक है, रिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ जेंडर. सो सम काइंड ऑफ अ डिफरेंट थिंग माइट हैपन, अ काइंड ऑफ अ डिसीजन विच नोबडी हैज टेकन इन द फैमिली, और सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ अ change you might be bringing. This can be for very few of you, but that is what I'm getting very strongly, कि there is a decision which needs to be taken. और आप हो सकता है अपने फैमिली ट्रेडिशन से completely different कोई decision ले सकते हो. Alright, that is what also I'm getting to you, Pisces. So now let's see what's the guiding message for you from the angel and ancestors deck. Let's see what's the guiding message for you from the angels and ancestors deck. What's the guiding message for you from the angels? All right, we have two. Let's take both. So first is drum. It's like dream and journey. Okay, so जो भी आपके plans हैं, जो भी आपके thoughts हैं, जो भी आप नया करने का सोच रहे हो, you need to bring your plans into action. You need to start your journey. Journey here is bring your plans into action. Take the step towards your goal. Okay, trader, exchange energy to create abundance. Now energy exchange is not about money. Okay, here it's like how much you are grateful for whatever you have. आप कितने grateful हो उस चीज़ के लिए जो आपके पास already है. Right, so it's like counting your blessings instead of counting what you don't have. You need to shift your focus from lack to what you have. Okay, so you need to, once you change your frequency, you will start attracting abundance in your life. You will create blessings, more blessings. You will make space for more blessings to come into your life. Okay, that is what we have for you. So it's a good reading, guys. Just try to keep your important things safe, your ideas secret as much as possible, not to trust everyone blindly, and don't be in this frustrating energy of when will things turn out, when will things unfold, when will I get the rewards. You will get the rewards, but don't try to push or rush into anything, and be careful with the kind of things you are sharing with others. All right, so that's the reading for you, Pisces. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.